10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yo guys, what's up? Back here with your boy Forte Laser Built. So I've been doing some things with the car, and I kind of started doing some things, and I wasn't able to get any content of it. I apologize about that. So I just pretty much been doing a lot of things and not doing any videos. Been really busy, wrapped up in a lot of stuff. So hope you guys can understand that. But as you seen in the video at the beginning, trying to get the car all done up, cleaned up. Like I said in the beginning of these videos, I was gonna clean up the motor, paint a few things, make it look a lot better, and it's getting there. I have the car up on jack stands, two on the other side, and I also have two jacks on the opposite side, as you can see. But this is pretty much that I'm been working on. Is just this, just basically simple cleanup. The paint that I used for this was some pretty decent paint. It is rattle can, but I think it came out pretty awesome, as you can see. This is just some primer that I did. Not too sure what color I want to do yet, but I think it looks pretty clean. Looks pretty dope. Took this this plastic piece out of there. I'm also going to be doing that tomorrow. It's pretty late. Just doing a quick update, you guys, with my build. Have this piece right here all cleaned up. It looks pretty cool. Tomorrow I should be done doing the wheels. Did a lot of prep work. I took off all of the paint. Well, I took off all the chrome. I'm gonna do the lip. I'm gonna repolish the lips and everything, but I think it looks pretty good. Took me about 9 hours to remove the chrome, sanding, prepping, and primer. This is the color I'm gonna be going with. I ran out of paint, but everything's gonna be done up tomorrow. Car's gonna look awesome. And so today I did some sanding on the calipers. I'm gonna paint the calipers. I'm gonna order brand new drill slotted rotors. Comes with new pads, so that's going to be good. I'm going to swap that out. I'm going to clean up the dustpan, the brake dustpan. That looks pretty rusty, so clean up a few things. Other than that, car looks good. Obviously going to have to do some cleaning because I did paint in the back part, and somehow I think I have a little bit of overspray. My buddy picked up something new. It's pretty awesome. Definitely didn't want to get any overspray on this, but yeah, it's going to be a fun summer. I'm going to be really happy when the car is done and over with. DMV's been extremely packed, and that's my biggest thing right now that's been holding me back from driving, going out places, and having a good time. And I want to show you guys the office I've been working on. So I did a little bit of stuff over here in the office. Been trying to, rig up some things, put up the door. It's going to be the side right here. I'm going to paint in here. Everything looks horrible now, but it's going to look awesome when I'm done. No, that's a little, need a new doorknob, but it shuts and locks pretty well. So I'm put up all new drywall. Everything's going to be painted. All that's going to be squared away. Inside of here is going to be painted. Everything's going to look good. Cleaned out pretty much a lot of stuff. I'm going to take out this workbench. I'm going to put that on the opposite side of the shop. Clean up all that stuff right there. Take that down, dismantle it. Put a couch right there. 70-inch on the wall. Gonna have an AC unit in here. It's going to be nice and comfortable. So when I have people over or someone that I'm helping out with their car, they can sit here comfortably. Put my laptop and everything back here. And everything's going to be nice, ready, neat and clean, and ready to launch off. I'm going to be removing this too as well, taking that out, make the ceiling a lot better. I'm 6'4", so I don't kind of like want to walk comfortably. So that's pretty much it. And I'm going to have a lot of content for you guys coming up in the next couple of videos. I appreciate you guys. Like I said, sorry for not making some videos for some time now. But you guys have a great night. It's about 11:30, 12 o'clock. Not too sure. But I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. And you already know what I'm going to say. Fortaleza out. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I like it that you guys are there for me. Thank you. Have a good night.